Dear students, good afternoon to you all. Welcome to the online class. Myself, Mr. Ashok Kumar Mahapatra, assistant teacher, Sanskar the Gurukul International School. Already we have studied regarding the mensuration part, area of scalene triangle, area of equilateral triangle, area of rectangle, as well as area of square. These things already covered. So now I will start about another 2D figure that is called parallelogram. So what is the parallelogram? We can say it is also a quadrilateral. It is also a quadrilateral. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. So this is called parallelogram. Otherwise you can say opposite sides are equal to each other. So a rectangle is also a parallelogram. You have to remember a rectangle is a parallelogram, but a parallelogram is not a rectangle. Why? Now because a rectangle must have all angles 90 degree. But in case of a parallelogram, all angles may or may not be 90 degree, but opposite sides are parallel to each other. So now, this 2D figure parallelogram, you have to join any one diagonal. So you will say the diagonal AC. Suppose by joining AC, we can say we got two equal area triangles. Equal area triangle. One is ABC, another is ADC. So we can say the diagonal, by joining one diagonal, it divides the parallelogram into two equal area triangles. So if you construct, suppose BM is the perpendicular to AC. BM is perpendicular to AC. So you can say area of ABC triangle. Area of ABC triangle is equal to half into base is AC, height is BM. You have to say area of ABC triangle, that is equal to half into base is suppose AC and height is BM. So that is the area of the triangle ABC. Because already I told you, if in a triangle base is given and height is given, then the area of the triangle is half into base into height. But ABC area is equal to ADC area. So I can write the area of ABCD, area of ABCD, that is equal to 2 into half into base into height. It means 2 into area of the triangle ABC. So if 2 into 2 cancel, so I got SC into BM. So what is SC? You can say SC is the base of the triangle ABC. I have taken SC as the base. What is BM? BM is the height of the ABC triangle. So I got area of ABCD parallelogram is equal to simply base into height. But if I construct the parallelogram like this way, suppose ABCD is a parallelogram and AM is called height. AM is called height. So directly I can write area of ABCD parallelogram is equal to base into height. That we have to remember. That area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Now I will say parallelogram PQRS is a parallelogram and already given to you QR is 20 centimeter. QR is equal to 20 centimeter and height PT is perpendicular to QR. PT is given to you 8 centimeter and you have to find out the area of the parallelogram. So you will say area of the parallelogram, area of PQRS is equal to base into height. Base means QR and height means PT. So you are getting directly 20 into 8, 160 centimeter square. That you are getting. Now see another type of example. Suppose in a parallelogram two diagonals are given. In a parallelogram two diagonals are given. You remember, in case of a parallelogram two diagonals are generally not equal. They are not equal. Suppose SC is given to you. SC is 12 centimeter. SC is 12 centimeter and BD that is given to you. Suppose 16 centimeter. BD is equal to 16 centimeter and BC is equal to 10 centimeter. You have to find out the area of the parallelogram. So first you see SC12. SC12 means AO is equal to CO, that is equal to 6 centimeter. You have to remember, in case of a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other means BO is equal to BO and AO is equal to CO. If SC is equal to 12 centimeter, so you can say AO is equal to CO 6 centimeter. Similarly, BD is given to you 16 centimeter. So you can write BO is equal to DO, that is 8 centimeter. So BODO 8 centimeter and AOCO 6 centimeter. And also you see BC is given to you 10 centimeter. So how can you find out the area of the parallelogram? First you see the two diagonals of the parallelogram, dividing the parallelogram into 4 triangles. Already 4 triangles you have to remember. 4 triangles having equal area always. 4 triangles always having equal areas. So you find the area of OBC triangle. Area of OBC triangle. So now first test it. OBC is a right angle triangle or not? If not right angle triangle, so we will test for scalene triangle. So now you see in OBC triangle, what is the value of OC square? OC square is equal to square of 6, that is 36. What is the value of OB square? OB square is equal to square of 8, 64. And what is the square of BC? And BC square is equal to square of 10, that is equal to 100. So now we observe OC square plus OP square. OC square plus OP square, that is coming BC square. OC square plus OP square, that is coming BC square. 36 plus 64, that is coming 100. So we can say OBC is a right angle triangle. If OBC is a right angle triangle, so what will be the area? So we can say area of the right angle triangle is half into base. Base means take 6, height you take 8. So you got 24 centimeter square. That is the area of OBC. Area of OBC triangle you got what? 24 centimeter square. So you have to remember, whenever you get area of one triangle, so how can you get the area of the parallelogram? You can say area of the parallelogram ABCD is equal to 4 into area of the triangle OBC. So you can write directly 4 into 24, that 96 square centimeter. So like this way you have to do the solution. So I will give you a similar question for you, that is filter. So you may write in a ABCD parallelogram, in a ABCD parallelogram, in a ABCD parallelogram, ABCD parallelogram SC is equal to 10 centimeter, SC is equal to 10 centimeter, and BD is equal to 24 centimeter, and BC is equal to 13 centimeter. So you have to find out the area of ABCD parallelogram. That you have to remember. Suppose another type of question also may be like this way. In a ABCD parallelogram, the ratio of height and base, the ratio of height and base is 2:3, 2:3, and area is given to you 600 centimeter square, 600 centimeter square. So find the base and height. So you may write height, base is to height is, base is to height, that is given, suppose 2:3. So base is 2, height is 3. So we will write base is 2x, base is 2x, and height is 3x. So what is the area of the parallelogram? Area of the parallelogram is base into height. So you will write 2x into 3x, that is equal to given 600, already given in the question. So you can say 6x square is equal to 600. So x square you got 100 and x value you got 10 centimeter. If x is 10 centimeter, so what is the base? Base is 2 into 10, that is 20 centimeter. Similarly h is equal to 3x, so 3 into 10, that is 30 centimeter. So dear children, like this way we have to solve the numericals regarding parallelogram. Thank you to all.